The cylinder sill is attached to the top of the cylinder and seals the head valve to it. It prevents air from leaking past the valve into the cylinder. Over time, the sill can crack, which will cause air to leak into the cylinder and out the exhaust. Often, the gun won't fire with a cracked cylinder sill. Replacing the cylinder sill is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the cap from the nail gun. Now remove the cylinder. Now I can remove the cylinder sill from the cylinder. And install the new one. And now reinstall the cylinder and piston back into the gun. Now I can reinstall the capsule. I'll place the cap on top of the cylinder and reinstall it with the screws and brackets. And that's all it takes to replace the cylinder sill in your nail gun. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.
And leave a comment.